Do you know why it has been recorded that over 90% plus traders lose money in the forex market? Well, that's no mistake because these traders keep making the same mistakes over and over again without even knowing. So guys, here are really huge mistakes these traders are actually making that is keeping them in the 90% that actually lose money in the forex and stock market. Let's get started. So guys, these mistakes are actually ridiculously obvious, but actually these traders don't actually know, or they just don't want to admit the fact that they are making these mistakes. So guys, I'll be pinpointing the 10 most highly dangerous mistake that you guys should avoid at all costs. It's a huge mistake and I want you guys to avoid it in the forex and stock market. And let's get started. Number one is actually trading without a plan. You know guys, so guys, I really don't understand why someone will start a business without having a plan. It's the same thing as trading without a plan. You can't decide to build a bridge without having a plan. You can't decide to start a business without having a plan. So why would you actually come into trading a $1 trillion market? Like the forex stock and everything is actually, there's $1 trillion traded every single day. So why would you come into this kind of market without having a plan? You're gonna get destroyed. Alright, so guys, not having a trading plan is the best recipe for disaster and actually losing your entire, no matter how disciplined you are or how good you are, if you don't have a trading plan, then you are going to lose, guaranteed. So the second reason why most people lose in the forex market is actually because they don't cut their losses quickly. Like, I know a lot of newbie traders who actually trade that when they take a trade, they just hope it goes up. And in forex markets, when you hope, you are actually hopeless. Like hope, anyone who hopes in the forex market is actually hopeless. Guys, hope is for the hopeless. All right, you don't take a trade and hope the market goes up. All right, you have to be sure and certain that yeah, the market will go up. So that's why whenever you're wrong, cut your losses. All right, cut your losses quick. Take a small loss and come back again the next day. But a lot of newbie traders actually take a humongous loss and actually end up blowing your account. Guys, for the third reason is they don't keep a trading journal, right? So whenever you take a trade, you win, you lose, why not record your wins and losses so you can go back and actually rephrase on them and actually take them into consideration, take notes. Ask yourself, why did you lose this trade? How were you feeling? What was your thought? What was going through your mind when you took this trade? How was the market moving? What was the market doing? All those little things can actually help you get to the point where you want to get to in your trading journey in general. So guys, keep a trading journal, track your trades. You're gonna see a really big difference in the way you trade if you keep a trading journal and you have a trading plan and you cut your losses really quickly. So number 5 right now, actually number 5 guys, is actually letting emotions take control of you. All right, I see a lot of people trade, they take 3 losses in a row, 4 losses in a row, and the next thing they look so devastated, and I'm like, trading is a game of probability, guys. You don't expect to win every single trade, because I don't think that's even a thing. So you have to know that yes, you can actually lose even 10 trades in a row. So when you have this at the back of your mind that you can actually take 10 trades in a row, then I see no reason why you should get emotional. Like, you have to learn how to control your emotions by taking the right actions. All right, so that's it. So number 6 is entering based on guts. This is self-explanatory. Like, you have the feeling that Euro USD is going to go up. You just take a trade based on your guts without actually having a solid reason to actually take that trade. So you have to have a step-by-step detailed plan. Like I said, you have to have a trading plan and keep track of your trades, so that when you keep track, you can use this track and build a trading plan and enter trades based on your trading plan, not based on your guts. Because if you trade based on your guts, you are bound to lose money. All right, so number 7 is actually a lack of preparation. So you guys, like I said, don't prepare, which means it's kind of like not having a trading plan, because this number 7 is actually a combination of trading plan and risks and trading journal. Because when you journal your trades and you analyze the market and you understand what the market is doing, then you build a trading plan, which leads to preparation. So when you get into the trade, you are already prepared, you know everything you want to do, you come into the chart, you analyze the market, and you're waiting for your setup, which is actually a preparational steps. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, I want you guys to click the like button. Please click the like button. Show some love, guys. Show some love. Subscribe, guys. I want to see 1,000 views and 1,000 subscribers. I mean, every single person who's watching this video should actually leave a like, subscribe, share, and comment. All right, just to show some love, you know, help the channel grow, and let's see how far we can go. So guys, I'll be doing some giveaway very soon. Maybe once we hit like 50 subscribers, I'll be doing some giveaways so that there'll be enough people to actually give to, you know. I have like around 4 subscribers right now, which is kind of a little. So I'm actually hoping before the end of this year, 2020, 4 subscribers will actually maybe be at 100, which is something I'm actually projecting. So guys, show some love, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. And if you have any strategy you want me to backtest, I actually like backtesting strategies. So if you have any strategy you want me to backtest, leave a comment explaining how your strategy works, which indicator it is, and how the indicators work, and I will help you backtest it. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay XO and stay blessed. Peace.